My name is Nursuhaila Humaira binti Hashimarov. In this video, I want to present my final assessment. The program that I joined is MFC and Sarawak Martial Arts Volume 2 in 2025. So this is the project background. On 30 November, MMS Sport Hub organized an event known as MFC and Sarawak Martial Arts Volume 2. The event began with press conference on 29 November, which introduced the event to the media and public. It is also highlighting its objective and the opportunities it would provide for local athletes. Next, we're going to move on to student strength and responsibilities. My first task is to ensure that each participant was prepared before the competition began. The purpose of this task was to ensure that the participant have warm up, word protection equipment such as guards, helmets, and gloves. And the next task is to ensure that each athlete apply Vaseline to their face before the competition. The purpose of using Vaseline is to provide protection to the athlete's face, reduce risk of scratches or and friction during the competition. It is also increase comfort while competing. Next, I am responsible for retrieving the glove and helmets from the athlete immediately after the match. These tasks require energy and quick action because the equipment needs to be used by other athletes within a short period of time, and also the equipment is limited. And the final task I did at that time is I have to work at the counter to check the names of athletes who borrowed the equipment such as guards, glove, and helmet. I am also responsible for taking care of the athlete's IC. Each athlete who will enter the ring must hand in their IC for the purpose of checking attendance and borrowing the equipment. Next, we move on to a milestone. On the phase one, which is initiation and organization scouting, it took me 4 days. The next one is phase two, execution, which is the program began, which is it took me 2 days because the 29 November is the briefing and press conference, and the next day is the match day. And next is phase three, finishing. It took me a week to collect mark from the collaborators. The final phase is submission, and it took me 7 days. Next is the execution and technical details. The first task I did was to identify and search for participant based on the list of name provided, and this task was aimed to ensure that each participant who compete was ready and had warmed up and arrived yearly at the counter. The participants were also advised to bring their IC to facilitate the process of identity verification and equipment borrowing. The second task I did was preparing the athlete before the match by applying Vaseline to their face. The area involved including the eyebrow and upper eyebrow, the bridge of the nose, the entire nose, and cheekbones. This process was carried out using gloves to maintain the level of hygiene and safety of the athletes. Next is challenge. The first challenge that I experienced during my time at the volunteer program was time pressure, where tasks such as managing equipment after matches required quick action. The matches that continued without a break added pressure to volunteers to ensure that each match took place according to schedule. The second challenge was limited equipment. The number of guards, gloves, and helmets available was not enough for all athletes at all. The third challenge was communication. This program required uh, clear coordination between volunteers, athletes, and the organizer. Inaccurate instruction or delays in the delivery of information could affect the smooth running of the event. Next, focuses on project management technique. The first one is time management. The competition is carried out continuously from morning to night. That means that each match needs to be managed efficiently so that there are no delays at all. Volunteers and workers play an important role in ensuring that athletes are ready according to the schedule, including yearly preparation, such wearing safety equipment. The second one is resource management. Since the amount of equipment is not enough for all athletes, uh, a system control was used to ensure that the equipment is always available for next match. One method used is to keep the athlete identity card as a guarantee when borrowing equipment. This technique helps to prevent equipment loss and ensure that each athlete return the equipment after the fight. Uh, so this is the last one, a lesson learned. The first lesson that I learned is communication is key. I learned that communication is the most important element in project management. This program involved many parties such as organizer, volunteers such as me, other workers, and athlete. Um, so these peoples are the someone I never met, someone I never know. They are not my friends. So I need to communicate with them so that they can be comfortable with me and they can give tasks to me so to work together with them. The next lesson that I learned is cooperation in groups. This project taught me that teamwork is essential, especially in high pressure situations. Each volunteers plays a different role, but they are interdependent on each other to ensure that the program runs smoothly. These are the pictures that I took during the briefing on 29 November.